go. Space is open. Say hello.
Morning.
There we go. That's Mr. Costello.
Hi!
That's Faye. Oh, stop there, Laura. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at her. She's running away. She's training with the trainers for the first time. She's graduated to the... Make your debut. Stop.
Morning.
Say hello. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Can I stand back here?
No. I can zoom in so I can see up your nose right now.
What would you like me
So
to
come
say?
on. Who are you?
I'm Laura.
Laura, what are you doing here today?
I don't know. I'm just lost.
You don't know? I can tell you what you're doing here. See, Laura's a beast. She has... You've been doing the challenge for quite a while now, haven't you? How many kgs have you lost?
All in all,
Yes, all in all.
24.
24 kg she's lost altogether. So she's graduated to the big girls club now. She's training with the big boys. And right now, as I'm speaking to her, she's actually paranoid because she doesn't know what I'm doing with the camera. I could be zooming in, out, or whatever. But anyway, listen, Laura, welcome.
Thank you.
You're a beast. You're actually pushing everyone. So looking forward to seeing what you do today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Mabruk, madam, Mabruk. There's another recent graduate there, Carly. Ladies
Hi.
Skillman, how are you?
No longer the newest.
No longer the newest. Yeah, but you're still
Part
new
of
then.
furniture now.
Ah, there we go. All right.
Did you say recent graduate?
This one's fucking been here.
Nothing recent about
This
me,
one
guys.
has been here for too
7
long.
years.
This one has been here for too long. Look how grumpy he is. Still
I need
grumpy.
to leave. I'm done. See you, Julie. I'm finished.
Yeah, he's had enough. Another recent graduate there, Mr. Elwi. Say hello.
It is so fun to wake up 4:30 in the morning every Saturday.
Sarcasm will
So
get you,
fun.
Sarcasm will get you nowhere in life, my friend. Right, and who else do we have here? We have Mr. Afro there in the corner, and we have Alara as well. Right, let me give you guys a tour of the new factory. So as you can see, we've opened up the space. There we go. Let's zoom out a bit so that you can see. So we have this open space. This is all available. We're going to be doing the lab later on today. As you can see, nice and open. There we go, equipment round on the edge. You've got space over there as well. And something that's actually factual. Circuit Factory serves the best burpees in town, fact. So have a look on the board. And this is the new factory, ladies and gents. So as you can see, it's nice and open. We've shown you the canteen. We've shown you everything. So feel free to come down and join us. Right, let's get on with the workout. Oh, Safe.
What's up,
Hello, Safe.
Morning.
Safe actually has his own YouTube channel as well, guys. Safe, what's your YouTube channel called?
It's Safe Fit.
Safe Fit. How do you spell that?
SAIF.
Yep.
IT.
IT, all right? That will be on the bottom of the screen. So like his channel, subscribe, and do what you need to do. Good to see you, man. Mr. Jones has arrived. Ian Jones. Look, I have to follow everyone. Say hello, Mr. Jones.
Hello,
Morning.
Mr. Jones. Morning.
How are you?
I'm very good.
You good?
All good.
Rugby season's over now, isn't it?
It is, but I still represent.
You
Always represent.
Always represents. Welcome, welcome. Right. So another thing that's quite unique about the Circuit Factory is the challenge. So as you can see, this is the challenge board. I can't zoom in. I don't want you to see all the names, but you know, right now we are in the final week of the Circuit Factory challenge. This is a list of all the members that are doing it. If you've done your classes, you give yourself a tick. So as you can see, I'm doing it there. How many classes? I've done my 4 classes this week, so I'm in the good books. There we go. So if you want more info on the challenge, information is down below. Right, everyone, here we go. Spill the bean. So when you come to Circuit Factory, this is where you come for your refreshments. You want to give yourselves an introduction, guys?
We've got healthy treats,
Yep.
specialty coffee, and protein shakes and smoothies to give you that boost before or after the workout.
Before or after the workout. Excellent stuff. Right, and how long have you guys been here?
We've been around for like 10 years in Circuit
10
Factory.
years?
Yes.
Wow,
yes.
okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right, excellent. And everything is right here, guys, as you can see. So make sure you come and visit the canteen before you, oh, you can do it before and after, can't you? So yeah, there we go. Everything is here, and you've got your seating area. Safe is already there queuing up, waiting to get his breakfast.
What do you have?
And there we go. All right. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Okay, so today we are filming trainers training here at Circuit Factory. You've seen the canteen, you've seen everything. It's what we do every Saturday morning. So wake up early, we start at 6 a.m. We do the workout till about 7. And then after that, we get ready for the class after the lab, which you guys already know. So watch this video, like, share, subscribe, do what you need to do, spread it far and wide, and I hope you enjoy the workout. All right, lads, take your time. There's no rush, you know. Trainer's training only started about 20 minutes ago.
Please follow me
You know?
on DMAT on YouTube.
If you're gonna say it, get the name right at least. You know?
God's sake,
Hi.
There's another latecomer. Training starts at 5:45, my dear.
I was up at 5.
Yeah, well, 5:45. Another latecomer. Training starts at 5:45. Just so you know. Oh, and guess who it is? Oh, we have to have an interview. There we go. Come on, come on. First of all, Romany, welcome. Training starts at 5:45. Just so you know. All right, stop there, Jules. Stop there, stop there. Right, everyone, come
I've
on.
just put a sweet in my mouth.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
So not
I'm sure you're used to talking with things in your mouth, Julie. So, Julie, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm feeling 43.
Feeling 43? Every little bit? Oh, she's running away. Okay.
No, I can't speak.
That was good timing.
That was very. I can't speak.
You can't speak?
No.
Okay, all right.
This
Well,
is
anyway.
this is awful. Come on, I'm
Yeah?
not a natural. at
All right.
this.
Well, anyway, Julie, happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right. I just want to say, from all of us here, you know, we love. No, honestly, we love what you're doing. You're a grafter. You're doing really, really well. I remember the.
God.
I remember the first day you joined Circuit Factory.
Oh, don't.
I'm going to put that here on the video.
No, don't you dare.
And look at you now running the show. So well done. Carry on doing what you're doing.
I'm a walking
Love you long
advert.
time. There you go. In you go.
Thank you.
All right. Do you want to hide it or go away? Go. And guess what, ladies and gents? It is Julie's birthday. There we go. Speech.
I'm not. All I can say is that anyone that gets up at 6 or 5 a.m. on their birthday must really love Circuit Factory and all of you guys. So thank you very much. I'm honoured. Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you. I don't know what to say.
Thank you will be nice.
Oh, that's awesome. I said thank you. I'm very honoured, I'm very honoured. I am so honoured to spend Saturday morning, every week with you guys. Thank you very much. And I am 33.
Nice.
Thank you.
First one, tell me.
Yeah, really
How was
good.
it?
Really enjoyed it.
Really enjoy. What did you enjoy about it? Let me put you on the spot.
Just being with you guys.
Oh, you're so cute, so sweet.
No, it was great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, you did well. You were beast at it. Well done.
Thank
well
you.
done.
Today was a bit more CrossFit-ish.
Yep.
What? Why are you giving me a middle finger? So 4 stations, a lot of upper body, some push press, some seated push press, some bench press with the dumbbells over the barbells.
Okay.
And Julie likes to call me.
Only Scottish people will know what this means.
This
Now,
basically.
what does that mean, Julie?
Oh, I can't
you can't
say.
say
I
that.
can't say.
Okay, you can't
I can't
say.
say on YouTube, and especially not on Dima Godfrey's YouTube.
I think we know what that means already. All right.
Some lower body stuff.
Okay.
A lot of snatches, some tricep extensions.
So total body in general, right?
Total body yesterday. Quick on the stations today. We had 2 rounds, a quick break in between. But the best thing about today's workout was that it was Julie's birthday.
Exactly. All right.
It won't be as exciting next week.
Oh, don't say that. I've got to
See
get
ya.
viewers, man. Come on.